Hey, Ray from Bridge Marina here. We get a lot of questions from boaters about like, how do I know where to go? The water looks nice and safe and open, like, can I just go there? Well, you cannot always do that. One, because we don't know what the contours are underneath this water body, that it may be shallow in some spots, deep in another. And then in places like here in Highlands, we have a tide that changes, it could be 3 to 6 feet every 6 hours. And so I may proceed through this area one time of the day and it seems safe. I could come back at another time and all of a sudden it could be much more shallow. So I always want to make sure I use my charts before I proceed anywhere, use my GPS, plan ahead. We're gonna come back here in a little bit and take a look at this same spot once the tide goes down a couple more feet, see what's really there. Hey, now we're back in the same spot just a few hours later. The water has gone down about 3 feet, or the tide's gone down about 3 feet, and you can clearly now see the sand on the bottom. I can also look off in the distance and I can see that sandbar runs all the way out to my left port side. This is a shallow area. Now, had I looked at my chart in advance or looked at my GPS or done some advanced navigation, I mean like looking ahead, I would have noticed this and not run into it. But you really need to be cognizant that the water depth changes as the tide goes in or goes out, and be really careful where you're going. Every time you go out, watch the tide, watch where you're going, and you'll be fine. So you don't get stuck on something like this. Thanks for watching.